Hello viewers, welcome to the SJC News channel. I, Akriti Khandelwal
and I, Shantanu Murkheria,
are here to bring you the latest updates around this St. Joseph's Convent Higher Secondary School, Itarsi's campus.
Of November, Birsa Munda Jayanti and Guru Nanak Jayanti were celebrated, where interesting facts about the great tribal leader Birsa Munda was told to the students.
On the same day, teachings of Guru Nanak Dev Ji were also discussed in detail for the students to understand the struggles, sacrifices and teachings of Guru Nanak Ji better.
14th of November was a day of grand celebration on the occasion of Children's Day, both in primary and high school premises of SJC Itarsi, where our teachers performed various dances, songs, skit and conducted games for us.
But first, we paid homage to our nation's first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
26th of November was a magnanimous day for the SJC family, as it was the annual function of the school. The theme of the annual fest was Traverse to Tranquility.
It was a grand celebration where the parents got to witness the talent, caliber, integrity and dedication of the wonder kids of Josephite family.
Through a variety of dances, songs, skit, school report and finale.
The annual function was graced by Major General J.S. Bibra, Commandant CPE Itarsi, along with Mrs. Bhavna Dubey, Joint Director of Education Narmadapuram, as the guest of honor.
We also had Mr. Raghunandan Singh Lodhi as our special guest of the evening. Beside these special guests, we had an array of dignitaries, principals, fathers, religious and parents to witness the mind-boggling extravaganza of cultural tapestry displayed by our students.
On 27th of November, the SJC Boys Band raised the school flag high by bagging the third position in the zonal level band competition.
They had competed with 6 states and union territories and made us proud by securing the third position.
Kudos to the Boys Band.
May you keep on achieving new zenith.
4th of December dawned bright and serene as our kindergarten parents flocked in hundreds to witness our kindergarten wonder kids jiggling and swaying to rhythm at their annual function.
We had the privilege of having Dr. Sheetal Dayal, a noted gynecologist and obstetrician, not only renowned in the city but also the district, as our chief guest of the program titled Spread Your Wings and Fly High.
The twinkling stars of SJC's kindergarten exhibited their vibrance with gusto to the foot-tapping musical number.
An ex-student of SJC, Yuthika Namdev, made us proud by presenting her views on India's foreign policy in a conclave on Indian diplomacy on national television.
So when we talk about national interest, it includes economic development and
9th of December was an eye-opener when we had the privilege of listening to and interacting with an ex-student, Irene Ruizarelli. She passed SJC in the year 2018.
She has made us proud by becoming the Deputy Collector after clearing the PSC exam.
And she is appointed as Jila Mahila Vikas Adhikari.
Besides this, she has achieved an outstanding feat when she was selected by UNESCO as the Cultural Ambassador to Spain, representing Indian tradition and culture.
Irene Didi shared her experiences, struggles and strategies to attain success. She also answered queries of several students, clearing their misconceptions regarding the different streams of subjects.
It was a very healthy interaction which benefited us.
18th of December was the Day of Achievers, where the students of SJC Sports Arena were honored with medals and certificates in the different sports tournaments held till date.
A special mention to the boys basketball team, which had participated in the tournament organized by Multai Basketball Association, and they had made us proud by lifting up the runners-up trophy.
On 21st December, a PTM was scheduled for the parents to interact with the teachers regarding their board's preparation and progress for the upcoming annual examination.
23rd of December was a red letter day for the St. Joseph's Convent Higher Secondary School, Itarsi, as it celebrated its foundation day.
To commemorate the day, the academic achievers of the session 2023-24 were felicitated with medals and certificates.
On the same day, we had a grand Christmas celebration filled with happiness and funfare. That day, we also acknowledged the hard work and toil of the rickshaw pullers and bus drivers by gifting them small tokens of appreciation.
The month of January brought extreme sadness as Abhi Dubey, a student of class 10, passed away on 14th due to an accident.
He was an enthusiastic student and showed great promises and caliber.
He will be deeply missed by the school principal, teachers and peers. Class 10th and 12th pre-board exams, both first and second, have commenced. The board students also completed their final practicals as per CBSE guidelines.
Regular classes and MCC practical continue as scheduled. 23rd of January, a quiz competition Pariksha Pe Charcha was organized at PM Shri Kendriya Vidyalaya 1, Itarsi, where 100 students have participated.
Disha Solanki emerged as the winner, securing first position.
Congratulations, Disha!
On 26th of January, Republic Day was celebrated with patriotism and fervour as the students gave speeches and presented songs after the flag was unfurled.
The school also participated at Gandhi Ground and achieved a remarkable first position in the city. This outstanding achievement showcases the school's dedication to excellence and patriotism.
On 1st of February 2025, a heartfelt farewell was given to the class 12 by the Josephite family. It was a very emotional moment for the students and the institution.
As we all know, the season of exams is approaching and the school is gearing up for the upcoming board exams.
Students are advised to focus on their studies and prepare thoroughly to achieve excellent results. Beside the board exams, the home final exams are also approaching, and students should ensure they are well prepared to perform their best. To overcome the exam stress, please click on the given link for better understanding and preparation.
The entire Josephite family wishes you the best for your upcoming exams.
See you in the next session.
So, sayonara from us news leaders with the thought, active Josephites always on every height.